Super Tech Buzz, the latest in from Creative. We've got the new Zen Hybrid SXFI and the Zen Air. Now, speaking of Zen Air, we've recently done the Zen Air Plus and Pro. Check them out. And prior to that was the Arvana Ace. Check them out too. But these are following on from these guys here. A new sound weights on both. And the SXFI or XFI is how they pronounce it, I think. So these were just announced a couple of weeks ago. And we'll start off with the earbuds, I guess. Right. ANC, ambient 5.3, playtime and IPX5 rating. You've got your Creative XFI app and your Creative app. And you've got your Play Store and Google Play. Now there is 2 apps. So you need to check that out. That's what they look like there, if you haven't seen them before. And let's get these out of the box and have a look. So got music, movie and gaming, Super XFI spatial holography, which I've always said and spoke highly about. Is pretty cool if you've not checked it out, so go and do that if you've not done it. So inside we're going to get our booklets, nice little carry bag, which is pretty cool with the Creative logo on. And in here we have got the earbuds. Right, pop them to one side. And in here we have got our cable, which matches, and of course some ear tips. So that's pretty much it there. So I'll just pop all them back in there for now. Right, so here is these guys. I'll bring this in a little closer as well. So that's them there. We've got a nice snappy lid up top, the XFI, SXFI on top, USB-C, Creative logo, and you've got some LEDs on front there with a pairing button. And if you notice there, if you open them up, there's a steel insert there, which is pretty nice, left and right. And that's what the earbud looks like there. Pretty similar looking in some ways, apart from the outer shape and looks to the previous 2. But I'm liking this. It's a much smaller case as well. Actually, while we have them here, we can show you. So that's the previous cases there. You can see the difference in size. I'll just zoom back out. You can see there it's much smaller, more pocket friendly. And that's basically it. So let's move on to the headphones next. A new sound weight Zen Hybrid SXFI from Creative. On the back, the same stuff with the apps again. Hybrid ANC, adaptive ANC, ambient low latency 5.3 aux and 70 hours playtime. That's pretty big when it comes to playtime. Right, so let's peel the stickers off and take a gander. Okie dokie. Right, so that's that there. We've got a nice big pouch again, drawstring with the logo, your booklets, the gel. Need to get rid of that stuff. Right, what have we got in here? We have got our cables, 3.5, and our USB-C, USB-A, and that's it in there. Let's pop them back there. Now, let's see what we've got here, folks. What these look like. Alright, so that's them there. So on the button front, we've everything on one side by the looks of it. You've got your volume toggles, your power, 3.5mm, your mics and LEDs, ANC and the SXFI button itself. Mics and all that stuff here, and USB-C, and the branding on the sides. Nice and comfortable, nice and plush leather. Nice ratchets, deep enough cups, marked left and right. Quickly pop them on the head. and they do go over the ears, so that's nice. And let's check the turning angles on these. So these turn like that and go in and out like this, so plenty of movement there, just so you can see, and like that there, and you can see the cushions are nice and plush there. Same with the headband underneath, and that's what the joints look like there. So all in all, pretty good, and it's not heavy either, it's nice and light. And of course they fold up and you get your travel bag as well, which is nice. So that's pretty cool. So that's pretty much it. This is the latest from Creative. So you have a choice of headphones or earbuds, it's up to you. Personally, I love both, and look forward to testing these both with the functions that are on them and seeing how they sound. Can't wait to check them out. As I've said before about the previous earbuds and so on, we've done from them pretty good. Access to the SXFI app and all that, that changes everything. If you've not tested it out before, as I've said before, and I always say when I'm doing creative stuff, you have to check it out. Really cool stuff. So any questions, drop them in the comments. We'll answer them, test them out for a while. Be back in a week or two with a review and let you know what we think, and show you about the app and all that kind of stuff. Loads of stuff there, because you have to do head mapping and all that kind of stuff as well to get the proper effect, and it's worth it. And that's it for the moment. So we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, and thanks to Creative for sending these over. We'll talk to you then.